Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will be looking at the third step of the run payroll process, which is pay adjustments. Using pay adjustments, you can update one-time payments or deductions for that month. You have 5 options, that is employee-wise pay adjustment, component-wise pay adjustment, import pay adjustment, import enhanced pay adjustments, and import loan adjustment. To update the pay adjustment for individual employees, click Employee-wise pay adjustment. Enter the employee code or name. Enter the amount against the component. And click Save. Next is the component-wise pay adjustment. Click on Component-wise pay adjustment. Select the component. Enter the amount against the employee name. And click Save. To update the pay adjustment for multiple employees, click Import Pay Adjustment. Click Download Template here. Update the details under the Import Pay Adjustment sheet against each employee. Click Choose File and select the file. Once the file is selected, click Import. The next one is the Import Enhanced Pay Adjustments. This option allows you to override the system calculated one-time earnings or deductions, or import payments or deductions month-wise of the previous month so that the income tax exemption or the payroll compliances are adjusted accordingly. Click Download Template here. Update the details under the Import Enhanced Pay Adjustment sheet and save the file. Click Choose File and select the file and then click Import. The next one is the Import Loan Adjustment. If you are using the loan module, the loan installment will automatically be deducted in the payroll. But if you would like to override the installment amount for the current month, then you would like to use this option. Update the details under the Import Loan Adjustment sheet and save the file. Click Choose File and select the file. Once the file has been selected, click on Import. And your loan adjustment details will be uploaded. Once the pay adjustments have been updated, click Next to go to the next part, which is the run payroll process. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.